Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
My name is Michelle Miller and I'm the Ops Manager at Lawn Buddy, and today I want to take you through how to schedule and manage your jobs on the web platform. So we're going to start off by heading into this left column under the Jobs tab, and we're going to click this little arrow. And you're going to see a couple things pop up down here at the bottom. We're going to start off just by going through our list view, which is our most simple view, and it's very similar to how adding jobs and managing jobs works in our mobile application. So when you open it up, you're going to see a couple different sections. You've got an on-demand job section, an open job section, completed job section, and canceled job section. And under each of these sections, there's a couple actions you can do to these jobs. You can go ahead and click straight into the customer. You can obviously view some of the details about the jobs. We make it pretty easy for you to message the customer about that job. You can edit the job from here, and you can also mark it as complete or cancel. And when you mark a job as complete, it will move the same line down to this other section. And it's same for if you mark it as canceled. It just takes the same job and moves it right down to this other section. So you're never actually losing any of that data. So let's go ahead and for now, let's make a new job. And this is our test account. And so we're going to use a fake customer that we have in here. And we're going to select an address for her. And let's just say this is a lawn mowing job. We can leave a quick note. She has a dog. And then we're just going to input the budget. It's just $100, kind of a decent sized yard. And let's go ahead and start her for next week on Monday. Now, if you have multiple crews, then you can use this to select the crew that you want to go to the job. But if you don't have multiple crews, that's totally okay. But for now, we're just going to select the mow crew because this is a mowing job. So right now, this just says one time. So that means that this job is only going to appear on this date. However, we hear a lot from our customers that they want the ability to book people on a weekly basis. So instead, we can mark it as a recurring job. And then we can say, okay, it's every one day, which means you wouldn't have to go and mow this person's lawn every single day. You could say every 3 days. Or you can say once every week. And you can pick the date, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Or you can say once a month. And it's going to be monthly on day 13. So there's a lot of flexibility here on how you can book this. Then we just are going to go ahead and hit save. So let's go ahead and go over here and take a look at some of these other tabs. Let's open the Maps tab. And again, this is a test account, so it may not be 100% what you see. But this is going to show us the jobs that we have in the area. So we just put in a job on the 13th, so let's go ahead and click on that day. And when we click on this day, it opens up the only job that this account currently has scheduled for the Wichita area. And it's recurs every 1 month on day 13, Christina Applegate. Great, this is the job that we just created. And here you have the ability to do the same things that you could over in the list view. And you also see another pin right beside it that's a completed job. So this is just another time we were using this test account, and this was a job that we would have done before and that somebody has marked it as complete. So it looks a little bit different when it shows up on this view. Another way that you can view your jobs to make things a little bit easier is within a calendar format. And this basically just shows you the name of the customer, the address, and then you can click in to get any details that you want. But it makes things a little bit easier for you to see how things are working out for the month, where the days are busy, where you're not, where you can schedule people and where you can't. And the last feature is our job assignment feature. And this is specifically for companies that have multiple crews that are working for them. It's important that if you have crews, you remember to assign jobs to crews. Otherwise, your jobs go into an unassigned jobs category. And when you go to optimize your route for the day, it'll actually optimize a route for the unassigned jobs and then a route for each crew. So in this tab, we are going to go ahead and pick a date. Now let's do the 13th again so we can try to find the job that we just created. And here you can see that it's the same address that Christina's was. She's already assigned to the mow crew. If I wanted to reassign her, I would just select any of these options. that's it for the Jobs tab on the Lawn Buddy web platform. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime. It's hello@lawnbuddy.com. Thank you.